Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we are wrapping up February's Make-Along for another year of the Make-Alongs 2026. I'm here to share my projects, your projects, and remind you guys it's now March. Let's get started on those garments. Anyway, so for February, our goal was to work with the good yarn, and you guys pulled it out. Again, like I said, good yarn is whatever's good yarn to you. Your favorite color, a fiber you want to work with, a dyer you want to work with, whatever was exciting for you. So, what I worked on. We had a little trauma, but I did finish my Pink Panther scarf. This is using yarn that had been in my stash since 2010. The last time anybody saw this, my last show and tell, we were right here. I can so tell that color is different, but it is whatever. It is whatever. But this was a hand-dyed yarn from the Unique Sheep. It was their Verb base, and it's the color You and Me. And I enjoyed using this. I'm going to wear the daylights out of this. This is adorable. I love the fabric. If I hadn't been in love with the fabric, I would have not tried so hard to finish the final project. I did, for the UFO I wanted to focus on, pull out the stockinette scarf. I started this using Townhouse Yarns. When I pulled it out, I was here. I haven't really gotten that far on it. We'll talk about it in the next show and tell, but I don't know if that'll be this week or next week right now, but we'll talk about, just time sucks and everything else. But I did work on this, and I will have links for the patterns down below, because all three of these projects, actually, believe it or not, came from patterns. I don't always use patterns for everything, but I was inspired by the patterns, or I'm directly using patterns for all three of my projects. The last one here is Shifts. And this is a wrap holding 2 fingering weight yarns double. I have not gotten very far on this one. Part of it is I accidentally left it up here last week, so I just didn't grab it. But I have a whole bin of good yarns that I am working from for this one. So that is what I did. I'm actually very pleased, like pulling these out and actually saying, like, I finished one, made a good start on the other. Like, now I'm at the point where we're just going straight across the row for the shifts. So this will start to go very quickly for me. Like, this is something I can take in the car. If we have a long car trip, or I know, like, going to the doctor or something where I'm going to be like stuck waiting on labs and stuff. So you like go in for your appointment, wait. Then you have to go to the lab, and then you wait. Those kinds of appointments. The shift shawl will be perfect to take with me in those cases, because I'm just going back and forth. It is a little cumbersome carrying my basket around. I don't care. I could put everybody in a skein coat and drop everybody in a bag, and it wouldn't be that big of a deal, but this is the kind of thing where I'd throw my keys on top of it, and I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Anyway, I made good progress. I'm very happy with where I am on everything. 1 FO, worked on a UFO, and have a new project to work on that will keep me entertained for a while. So, let's take a look at what you guys have been working on. Well, again, you guys, you managed to knock the ball out of the park. You have done phenomenal. I gave you a prompt and you guys just ran with it. And the amount of things, so many of these were started fresh and new for the month of February. And it's like, how did you get that much done? Like, that's just impressive to me how much you managed to finish. So I am incredibly happy you guys have decided to play along with me again this month. Don't forget, for the quarter, we do have the goal of working with bulky weight yarn. If you want to jump in for the month of March, we are doing garments. We have bulky weight, and there are posts on both the Ravelry group and the Facebook group where you can share your pictures to be added into these compilations. We'll be back in about 2 weeks. Today's the March 3rd. So we'll be back around the 14th, 15th with the update for March. I'm just so excited. Well, I guess it's 12th is a Thursday. So the 14th will be when we do our update more than likely. So yeah, I have to get started. I haven't had time to start yet, but I am very excited to start working on my t-shirts. I want to have at least 3 this year that I can wear all summer. So high hopes, lofty goals. I love you guys. I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day. As always, I look forward to seeing you real soon. Bye, guys.